Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right in the bottom right hand corner and become a part of my little family. I don't know what to call my subscribers yet, and I'm really happy that I made it to 70. I know what you're thinking, ew, 70 subscribers? No, that's a lot to me. And yeah, so become a part of my family. I haven't been uploading as much just because I've been just going through some things, and yeah, so hopefully I get back into my groove, we get everything back up and running, and yes. So, today I'm going to be reviewing and opening and unboxing my Bare Minerals box from Influenster. And it is the new Blemish Rescue box. Let me put it over there. And it's for a clean makeup routine for treating acne. Now, I don't have acne, but I do get like little bumps all over my face, and I have like an uneven, like I have like a rough texture. So I want to see if this will help. This was sent to me completely free, complimentary, and thank you so much to Influenster and Bare Minerals for choosing me to be a part of this box. And let me get this out of my screen so I can see. Okay, so I'm going to be using the stuff that's in this box, as well as using it and then continuing on with my routine. Because from the looks in it, there is a primer, a foundation, and a brush. So we're going to use all three today, and then I'm going to do like the rest of my makeup. So, thanks so much for watching, and if you want to know my review and you want to know what's in the box, just keep watching. Thanks. Okay, so let's get right on into unboxing. Let's send this around. So this is the front of the box, and we'll go ahead and open it. So inside we have the Bare Minerals card that tells you everything that you need to do. Turn it this way. You have some nice tissue paper. You have this really nice brush. I keep forgetting the camera's up here. This really nice brush. The foundation, and I got it in the color Soft Medium 2CN. We'll open that in just a minute. And this looks like the primer. And then that was it in the box. And it says, full of clean acne fighting coverage, free of irritating dryness. So we'll go ahead and set this aside. And we'll go ahead and do some close-up. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. This is the brush right here. It's a really nice kind of like kabuki style brush. There doesn't seem to be like much fallout of the brush or anything like that, and it's really soft. This right here is the primer, and let's see, it's good for up to 12 months. Smooth on the skin after skincare routine and before makeup application. Skin clearing, anti-redness mattifying primer. So this is really good for my skin type, because I have dry skin as well as redness. I know it's dark. I'm sorry. I didn't put up my lights today because my room's a mess. And this is the foundation. I wish my camera autofocused. And this is the Soft Medium. And this is how it's packaged. You probably can't see it. It's like a little tab. And it has like a little sifter. Now, how do I get this up? Alright, whatever. So we're going to go ahead and put this into the lid. I hope that's enough. Let me get my mirror, and we'll go ahead and read the card. So, it says, It comes with the Skin Clearing Anti-Redness Mattifying Primer. Calming primer soothes and blurs pores. White subtle green, while subtle green tint neutralizes the look of redness and absorbs excess oil, so the skin stays dry and fresh all day. So skin stays fresh all day. The Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. This lightweight full coverage foundation gently clears and prevents future breakouts of 0.5% salicylic, I don't know, acid, and a blend of minerals for the skin that looks and feels healthy. And it's available in 20 shades. I don't know what 20 shades it's available in. You'd have to look it up. Let's see. Seamless buffing brush with antibacterial charcoal. So this has charcoal in it, I guess, in the brush. Antibacterial buffing brush builds seamless coverage while repelling bacteria and protecting from contamination. And then it gives you the little like before and afters. And it looks like nice coverage. Okay, so get my mirror and then we'll start to work on this stuff. Let me go ahead and so my dumb self, I didn't know, but I guess I surpassed 12 minutes already. Ooh, I feel like that really does kind of like blur. Yeah, it looks really, really good. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and get started. This is the primer I did put on the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. I went ahead and put my soft medium in the lid, and here's the brush. Okay, I'm scared. So I've never used powder foundation. So what I'm going to do is, or what I'm doing is, I'm just going in circular motion. And like, kind of like I'm dragging and doing circular motions all over my face. Now I do have this one little spot right here. And I'm trying to see if this will cover. Because I mean, I don't... My camera is being so weird right now. It keeps like stopping. Anyways, so I like it. So the only flaws that I really would see with this is that, like any powder, it does show any like dry patches that you may have or anything like that. I don't know if I should put this back in there. Like, it shows dry patches and I'm guessing that's why it says, you know, use your normal routine first. But I did put on moisturizer before I put on the primer. And like, like right here in this area, you can still see a dry patch. Now, it did say that it had like mattifying, and I see that especially on my nose, like right here, I do see it looks really, really good. But as far as my pores, like all right here, you can see them. So, we're just gonna wait and see how my skin reacts, and I'm just gonna continue on to see how the powder would mix with like cream or something like that. So this is a contour palette, so I guess what we'll do is we'll use like contour, like powder contour. Okay. I know what you're thinking. Why aren't you doing concealer? I don't really want to do concealer today, so what I'm going to do is take my beauty blender and just get a powder and just put it under my eye, since I already have on powder foundation. So that kind of brightened a little bit, and then provided any additional coverage right here that I may have needed, but I don't really feel like I needed it. And we'll go ahead and do eyeshadow. Eyeshadow is going to be very basic today. I don't dance now, I make money move. I don't gotta dance, I make money move. When you see me, I don't speak. That means I don't F with you. What? Do y'all like my cactus? Thanks, Brandy, for the cactus. I'm just gonna do a quick filling of my eyebrows. So, I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you ever heard of influencer. Or if you're an influencer, what's been your favorite Vox box that you got? And also, if anybody's interested, influencer is a, I guess a company. It's kind of like a PR company is the way that I would put it. Yeah, because PR means product review, I think. Maybe it means public relations. I don't know. Anyways, so you sign up and you gotta make sure that you download the app on some kind of smart device. And when you do that, what you do is you link all your social media. Okay, and you link all your social media, and once you do that, it tallies up what your impact score is. So your impact would be like, if you have 1,000 followers on Instagram, 70 followers on YouTube, you would have 1,070 impact score. If you write a blog, that would be part of that as well. So pretty much what I did was I linked all my social media, and then you fill out like surveys, and within those surveys they decide if they want to pick you to review their products. And this is my second Vox box that I've gotten. So if you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe so that I can get more. They vary as far as how long they last. Like this campaign lasts until, I think, for 2 months. So it's a long time. That noise is my rabbit. Now I don't really know what I'm doing as far as makeup. I have a doctor's appointment at 3 o'clock, and then I have to go to my friend's mom's hair salon opening afterwards. I'm gonna use. So, start with this. Now we're gonna talk about some real like lady talk. Today's my first like real like adult lady appointment, and I'm kind of nervous. Kind of not nervous, but I'm like extremely nervous. My doctor's office called me this morning, and they were just wanting to know everything that's like going on, like why I'm making the appointment, so they can make notes in my account